change with?
No.
Oh, man.
We got a good one tonight. So we've done things a little bit differently tonight. I have here a whole bunch of different recipes that I've written out that I wanted to try. Tonight we have gone to my father-in-law to choose one of these, and of course he chose chicken meatloaf. So here we go.
Meatloaf.
I kind of want to make this one again.
It's easy.
It's cheap.
Try my recipe this week.
Look at you just watching.
I hope you're dancing like this. Don't